we like to relate everything back to your overall process for developing software. So we're going to be talking about .NET 6 today. And the good news, first and foremost, for .NET 6 is that it does not change the way, if you've done a complete implementation of a DevOps environment in your team, then .NET 6 does not change the state of the art with the way that you do that. So that's good news. Just want to say that up front. And actually, as we'll see as we go through the content, more and more application types in .NET 6 can have a consistent DevOps process than what was previously possible because of the unification of some of the technologies. But what you're looking at here, I know there's a lot of text on the screen. We've done entire webinars just digging in on every detail of what you need to have in a DevOps environment. We're not going to do that here. We don't have the time. But this is just the top 1/3 of our architectural poster, our DevOps architectural poster. This is the full thing, but it's meant to be printed on 2-foot by 3-foot paper at a print shop. If you'd like the high resolution copy of this entire architecture poster, then just send me an email for that as well, or look for it in the chat. And the one thing I will say, because we see a lot of our clients not quite implementing this step, and this goes really any previous version of .NET as well, a lot of adoption with continuous integration. But what we find is that only 1 or 2 of the 3 continuous integration steps are widely implemented. And the 3 steps for continuous integration, this was all the way back to the 2006 book, literally called Continuous Integration, is the first step is a private build that runs on the engineer's workstation alone, no network access, just private build. The next step is the integration build, which runs on a team shared environment, and pretty much all the teams have some type of integration build, even if it's just very, very small and simple and inefficient. But and then the third step is the first deployment and startup of the new build of the application. We find that that third step is often ignored the most. And then the second most ignored step is having a private build script that every developer runs so that they know it's time to check in. But if you don't have all 3 steps of continuous integration implemented in your environment, then I'd encourage you to do that. And sometimes it's just a knowledge gap where having never read the canonical continuous integration book, they implement a CI server product, which really only gives them the integration build step. And then they say, oh, we've implemented continuous integration, but they've only implemented 1 of the 3 steps. So just wanted to put that out there.